Today's a pretty exciting day.
I'm at the Deloitte Sustainability Summit Africa.
We are hosting amazing thought leadership on sustainability.
It's been amazing. We have talked a lot about industrial innovation, how just transition needs to happen.
We're opening eyes and mapping a way that sustainability can actually be an arrow in our arsenal.
What's really exciting about today's conference is there were a lot of practical takeouts. How can we make it real?
To understand that we not just recycling products, but understanding how we can reduce the footprint from the beginning of the value chain.
The technology is there, the opportunity is there, and the solution providers are there to work collaboratively.
If you are in a company of people that are doing great things, you can actually learn a lot from them, which will actually help you enhance your own offering.
Ultimately, it's everyone's responsibility, but I think it's quite important and it's good to see that boards and executives are starting to play a much more active role.
And really it's about getting our clients and even our internal leaders to see the opportunity that lies behind this crisis, that lies behind global climate change.
While the global community is going through an energy shift, Africa is going through an energy crisis. Africa is in a unique position.
No one felt it at the time, but innovation is now.
There's a bright future ahead that South Africa can actually lead the energy transition for the rest of the world by being an example.
If we leave it here in this one room, I feel like we've done ourselves a big disservice. It's really about taking these conversations and turning them into real value.
And together we can, as Africans, actually move Africa forward and leapfrog the rest of the world.